My name is Azaria Horner. I am a photographer and I own my own photography studio called Azaria Louise Photography. My time at the New College Durham University Centre has helped prepare me for being out in the real world because it's very tailored towards how you can transition from being a student to being an independent person in the workplace.
Here at New College Durham we offer a range of HE programmes across media, music and performing arts, and they range from foundation degrees to BA top-ups and HTQs. It's a very hands-on course across FE and HE where we show you how to set up the kit, how to conduct interviews, how to edit it all together, and we work across a range of mediums, so you've got photo, video, audio.
The sense of realism in the course is what sets her apart from everywhere else. Like, I get along with all the teachers here and they've made me grow tremendous leaps and bounds in the professional world of media.
I want to instill a passion into them. I want to instill creativity. You want to have someone who knows the direction that they want to be. They might not know the exact path, because that's where we come in.
Tutors here are amazing, amazing. They give their full support to me and they're always trying to push me to achieve better. I feel like they believe in me. I hope they believe in me.
New College Durham has given me the skills that I needed to be able to be successful in setting up my own business. If you're considering studying at New College Durham University Centre, I would say go, experience it, just come and experience it for yourself.